The, used before a singular or plural noun when referring to something already mentioned. The dog is friendly. The dog is friendly. The cup is empty. The cup is empty. The chair is uncomfortable. The chair is uncomfortable. We painted the walls. We painted the walls. I fell off the stool. I fell off the stool. I am going to the store. I am going to the store. Have you seen the newspaper? Have you seen the newspaper? The books are in alphabetical order. The books are in alphabetical order. The computer is broken. The computer is broken. My daughter picked the brown puppy. My daughter picked the brown puppy. Please put this in the wooden box. Please put this in the wooden box. The prettiest girl in my class likes me. The prettiest girl in my class likes me. He had a hard time carrying the heavy books. He had a hard time carrying the heavy books. The old man lives next door to me. The old man lives next door to me. She has the largest number of students. She has the largest number of students. My dad owns the store. My dad owns the store. A. Used before a singular noun that starts with a consonant letter when referring to something. Used in place of one when it comes before a word that starts with a consonant. A man walked into the store. A man walked into the store. He has a car. He has a car. I need a pencil. I need a pencil. Do you have a piece of paper? Do you have a piece of paper? She is a customer. She is a customer. He has a big house. He has a big house. A large brick fell from the building. A large brick fell from the building. She bought a black dress. She bought a black dress. He is a mean boy. He is a mean boy. I need a new notebook. I need a new notebook. I have a big dog. I have a big dog.
A. The first letter of the English alphabet. A. The first letter of the English alphabet. Her name starts with an A. Her name starts with an A. He got an A on his math test. He got an A on his math test. An. Used before a singular noun that starts with a vowel when referring to something. Used in place of one when it comes before a word that starts with a vowel. She is eating an apple. She is eating an apple. An apple fell off the tree. An apple fell off the tree. He has an apartment. He has an apartment. I want to see an elephant at the zoo. I want to see an elephant at the zoo. I need an eraser. I need an eraser. She is an attorney. She is an attorney. She is an actress. She is an actress. He has an apartment in the city. He has an apartment in the city. An elderly man lives next door. An elderly man lives next door. She is an excellent teacher. She is an excellent teacher. That is an ugly painting. That is an ugly painting.